everybody, welcome back to Bon Appetit. Today we're going to be making Eggs Benedict. We've already made it, we already did it, we already wanted to do more, we got hungry, and this is all that's left. They were absolutely wonderful. Anyway, they turned out great. They're a little bit of work, but by all means, definitely worth the effort. Eggs Benedict, plate looking good. Bon Appetit. Okay, we have our double boiler set up, and we have our butter and our eggs, and we're going to start whisking these together. With our boiling water, which we needed 1/3 of a cup. There we go, that's perfect. And the whisking should begin. This is constantly whisking. I'm going to set a little timer here for 7 minutes. We're going to keep on adding a little bit of this hot water. Keep on whisking. It's going to be 7 or 8 minutes before we're finally finished. This would be the first time I've ever used a double boiler for anything, and the first time I've ever tried to make Eggs Benedict. But so far, nothing has fallen apart. And we're gonna cook this nice and gentle for about 7 minutes or so until it starts to thicken up. It should reach about 165 degrees. This is one of my favorite meals to get at a restaurant. Absolutely love it, but sometimes it just doesn't taste right. Sometimes they use powder to mix up the Hollandaise sauce, and it just tastes awful. But I've never tried to make it at home, so here we go. 155 degrees, 157 degrees. The salt and the lemon juice and the cayenne pepper off of the heat, but still on the double boiler. And we're just going to leave that sit there. I've never strained an egg before, but I'm giving it a shot this time. We're going to add 1 heaping tablespoon of vinegar to our boiling water, and I'm about to catch myself on fire. about a teaspoonful of salt. Yeah, it's getting close to that. And here we go. We're going to try to get these eggs in here. I'm going to turn our fire off. 1 egg, 2 eggs, 3 eggs, 4 eggs, and put the lid on. And 4 minutes later, we should have perfectly poached eggs. We're going to toast our English muffins for about 4 minutes, and then we'll put our Canadian bacon on there. Our 4 minutes is done. Our eggs look like they're perfect. And we have some warm water here to about 150 degrees. And we're going to hold these eggs in there till we get everything else finished up. That looks pretty good. They look poached. See if I can get them out of here. Ooh, they are jiggly. Wow. There's one. Don't touch each other in there. Okay, for the magic moment, we're pulling an egg, draining the water, sliding it right up on top. They appear to be perfectly poached. First time winner. Oh my gosh, that looks beautiful. That hollandaise is nice and thick. Let's put a little bit more on there just for good measure. Perfect. Eggs Benedict #1. It looks like it's complete. Looks beautiful, smells great. The next thing to do is take a bite. All right, let's see how we did here. Oh my gosh, that egg is perfect. My toast is a little dry. Oh my gosh, that's absolutely beautiful. The poached part is wonderful. I'm gonna give this sauce a try. I did learn one thing about heating up the broiler. You have to heat it up first. I guess that would be the #1 thing. All right, perfectly poached egg, some bacon. Oh my gosh, that looks beautiful. Smells good. Let's see what happens. Wow. That is better than my favorite restaurant, Eggs Benedict. Not just a little bit better, it's way better than my favorite Eggs Benedict. You guys have got to give this a try. It is absolutely is worth the effort. Grab a bottle of champagne, have a nice late lunch, or early lunch, brunch, a late breakfast, whatever it is you want to call it. Some champagne, Eggs Benedict, and a wonderful day. Bon appetit!